Eric Boris, you me come out. Come to the front of the line. Oh, you one bright song. Oh, you forgot about we Jamaican lives in shacks. You know what is a shacks? A roughly built hut or a cabin. Now, you need to do your research. You need to go to Jamaica. I don't know where you're getting your information from, but we do not live in no cabin and hut down there, sir. First and foremost, Jamaican house structure is way stronger than American, by far. Ask anybody, okay? Just wait until the light come back and people them circle you back. You're going to see when me I talk about outer order and bright, but we live down there in shacks. If you live in shacks, don't get us involved, okay? You need to go see the beautiful houses them down.
So hi everyone, I hope that you are all doing well. You are all welcome. My name is Nelson. Kindly, if it's your first time coming across my video, you are welcome to join my family by subscribing to my YouTube channel. So guys, we all know that Jamaica is going through hard times. We are facing Hurricane Melissa and properties are being destroyed, lives are being shaken, and family are trying to get together. So but one thing I like about Jamaica is that their strength is not shaken, they are stand still. But there are some people outside the continent, they are not focusing on Jamaican strength, and there is this American forecaster Eric who has said some words that Jamaican did go well. He's saying that Jamaican are living in shacks and they will not be able to stand the Melissa. So even there are other American who are saying that Jamaican are not serious. They are mocking Jamaica, saying that because Jamaica has found humor in the Hurricane Melissa. I think the American have saw the video of Jamaican producing meme and all that. So guys, we'll be talking about and we'll see how Jamaican reacted to this America. Stay tuned, I'll be back shortly.
Americans, whoa there. Please watch your mouth when you're talking about the Jamaicans, okay? I'm not Jamaican, but I'm a West Indian woman, and what y'all not gonna do is try to fearmonger and spread weird narratives about the country. You don't know anything, and it's 2025 and your ignorance is showing. One thing about the Caribbean, disaster preparedness is a way of life. We've been doing it since we were kids. Two, most houses are reinforced by steel and are built with concrete. It's not the Weetabix houses you guys have. Three, when in times of disaster, people know how to come together and help each other. They're not fighting each other in Walmart for toilet paper and rations. We have more autopsy than that. We come together and we help each other. 4, your fear-mongering, tragedy porn, kink fetish, whatever it is y'all have, where you just like are so gleeful when bad things happen to people and you use that as an opportunity to be performatively good, keep that somewhere else. Jamaicans will deal and cope with tragedy however they see fit. If you didn't want your thoughts and prayers to elevate their spirits, keep them. If you want to be mad at people making jokes, cool, keep it to yourself. Because if we see you say anything about Jamaicans, I'm telling you, the rest of the Caribbean will gather and get you together. So if you want a nice time, watch your mouth. The things that you guys are saying and posting and commenting are making it so evident that you are highly ignorant and you are not beating the stereotype. If you don't know about another culture, if you don't know about another country, is silence not an option? Ta gueule, pe bouche zola. So kapale twop. Shut it. Keep your thoughts and prayers to thoughts and prayers. Okay? A lot of you are not going to beat the allegations that you are performative as hell. You're more concerned about looking like a good person than actually being a good person. These are human beings going through something very terrifying. Shut up.
To the little bumble them that decided that they wanted to cross the line of disrespect when it comes to Jamaica and Melissa. Melissa's gonna do what she gotta do. You get what I'm saying? They've been here before. You haven't been here before. But guess what Jamaicans never told you guys to do? They never told you to book your flight during hurricane season. You should have did your research for that. The reason why they're outside and they're happy and they're joyful and all these type of things, because they don't
know if they're gonna see another day. They don't know if this could be their last. So they're gonna make it as fun as possible and most enjoyable as possible, most memorable, most funniest as possible, because that's the type of people that they are. And that's one reason why, or many reasons why, you guys took a trip to Jamaica, because you guys love the vibe, you guys love the energy, you guys love the culture. No matter what, Jamaica stands their grounds 10 toes down, 1,000%. They will argue all day, but when it comes to rebuilding and coming together as a community, when necessary, they will do that.
It never ceases to amaze me how much the people who have never traveled to Jamaica, have never experienced Jamaica firsthand, have never interacted with the Jamaican people, particularly those in the US, who speak with such authority about living conditions in Jamaica, general ways of life in Jamaica, housing and infrastructure in Jamaica. Like, this hurricane has brought it home to me in such a forceful way. How people, especially in the West, try to paint narratives about other countries.
Second thing I didn't appreciate, and I feel like some of y'all Americans were being a little shady about it, especially this one guy that I saw that he usually talks about breaking the news. And I feel like at first he was being shady, but then he saw all the Jamaicans coming down on him at one point. But second point I did not appreciate is Americans complaining about Jamaicans not taking anything serious. First of all, I found it very ironic because us as Black Americans especially, we don't take nothing serious. Get that out the way. Second thing is, not to be shady to the Dominican Republic, but the Dominican Republic got flooded out too. And you should see them on my FYP. They're over here swimming, dancing in the rain, and they're having the time of their lives. So what were the Jamaicans supposed to do? Sit there and worry, especially when they cannot evacuate?
Eric Burris said the shark them in Jamaica are gonna blow away, The sharks in Jamaica is gonna blow away. Yet he's there in Jamaica, and one of those very sharks keep him safe. Come see my report this morning. So Eric, since you like to research weather and all of them someday, you not take nothing for research. The houses and all the infrastructure of houses are built in Jamaica, so you can report properly, brother. Because I'm just a simple man, I'm just a civilian, I'm just a Jamaican. I don't have all of the equipments and all of the technology to do the proper research. So use them and use them wisely. Instead of you coming and generalize everything that Jamaicans have shacks and shacks only. You have people come to your country, come work them 9 to 5 and build up their mansions. You got billionaires investing in Jamaica, building their mansions. And these mansions that they're building, they're not shacks. You see me? Most of these houses are built of concrete with cement, block and steel, sand. You hear that? These buildings are standing firm. Why you think most of the houses them still stand up now? I guarantee if Hurricane Melissa did hit a section of the United States with the same power where it hit Jamaica with, that particular section of United States will not be standing, and the toll of dead people would be higher. Believe. Now, as much as all Jamaica is damaged by this hurricane, it is still standing. And this is not the first hurricane of this magnitude go to the island. And Jamaica still there.
So guys, I hope that you have gone through the video and you have seen that Jamaica were not happy for the American people are saying about them. You have seen that Jamaican are very sad and very angry because those Americans who are mocking them are saying that they are living in shacks. But these Americans don't know that Jamaicans have really built their homes with strong stones. Like, they have built their home very well. Not like America, like they use wood. Not like Jamaica. Jamaica, they have really built their house very well, and it can withstand the Melissa. So you have seen that the last guy has said that if this Melissa if this Melissa had happened in America, many people could have lost their lives simply because American have not built their house like the Jamaican. You know, the Jamaican have used the strong stones, and their house are very firm, and the people are very good at building their homes. So guys, you can see that Jamaican are very angry and do not feel good when they used to say that they live in shame. The other thing that makes Jamaican withstand this Melissa is that Jamaican have unity. Jamaican, they love each other and they support each other. On my last, I've come across some video of Jamaican saving some people who were drowning in water. Jamaican have good heart, and they're still together in this medicine. They're helping each other. You can see that I've seen a certain video that a certain father has lost his things, his properties, and other families are they have hosted him, and they are doing well. Not like America. American people, like, they live in there. Like, I don't think they have that intact friend like Jamaica. America, you live your own life and stay your own, not like Jamaica. So guys, I hope that Jamaica will overcome, and if you are from Jamaica, you can at least leave a word of prayer, and you can leave your flag there on the comment. And if you are outside the continent of Jamaica, you can put some word of encouragement, and I hope that all will be well. Guys, I believe in Jamaica, and I know they'll be doing well. I was stressed that Jamaican was having Melissa, but I have come across some certain videos, some certain memes of Jamaican singing through when the rain is raining, some are swimming, and I feel comfortable, and I feel like they'll be safe, and I know storms never last. I know that it was I think it was 1974. Jamaican faced another Hurricane Gilbert, and they overcome it. The Jamaican are very strong, and they do support each other. So guys, if it is your first time coming across my video, guys, feel free to share, interact in my comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. One love you guys.